everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a super easy eye tutorial. So first you want to take your NYX Fire palette. I'm taking that green color. It has like a purple undertone. It's really pretty. It's really pigmented, but I must say it has a bit of fallout, just a little bit. So yeah, you just want to pack it on all over the lid. Yeah, just like you see right now. I thought I was going to extend the outer corner like you see here, but in the end I just ended up blending everything, so you don't really have to do that step that I'm doing right now. Just want to make sure you pack it on all over the lid. So like I said, this color is like almost like a mermaid green color. It has like a purple undertone. It's really pretty. So next, just to soften the edges, I'm taking my soft Glam palette and I'm taking the color Rustic with my blending brush. Yeah, so we're just gonna blend like in the crease just to soften the color that we put all over, just so there's no like harsh edges. And this is here, I'm just blending the outer corner because I didn't want to extend it too much in the end. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush and I'm taking the purple color from the Fire palette by NYX. So this is what I'm putting in my outer corner and blending in my crease. So I'm really trying to like really pack it on in the crease, so it shows that really nice purple. It's almost like the color kind of diffused into a purple color. And you can go all the way into the inner corner to the outer corner if you want. And here I'm just putting back that green color just because I want it to be more intense. Just because sometimes when you blend, it just goes away. And then here I'm just blending again with my Rustic color, my blending brush, just to make sure there's no harsh edges again. So after I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. Yeah, I'm just blending my concealer right after. And I'm gonna take an angle brush to do my lower lash line. And first I'm gonna take the green color that we took, the first color we took. I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line all the way to the inner corner to the outer corner, it doesn't matter. Then after, I'm taking my small blending brush in that purple color and we're just gonna blend the lower lash line so everything is blended. So after that, I'm just taking some mascara. I believe this is the L'Oreal Téléscopic mascara in Carbon Black. I like this one because it really lightens my lashes. So I put it on the top and bottom lashes. We're gonna put some falsies, of course, so you don't have to put too much mascara if you don't want to. It's really up to you. So for lashes, I'm taking the Kiss number 11. As always, you guys know this is the only lashes I use because they're really natural. And they're really flexible too. So next I'm taking a brown lip liner and lining my lips, just because I wanted a nude lip for this look because the eyes are so intense, so you don't want all the focus into your eyes. And I'm blending it a bit inward. And then I'm just taking my bow and arrow by Kat Von D liquid lipstick to put it on top. And after, I think I'm taking my NYX lip cream in the color Abu Dhabi. So after that, I'm just brushing my hair because I don't know, I thought it looked kind of funny, I guess. So I'm just brushing my hair right now. And this is pretty much it, you guys. So I just want to make sure everything looks good. And I'm gonna add a bit of highlight. I believe I took my Amrezy Highlight. I already had some on, but I'm just adding a little bit on my nose and on my cheeks just to make it more blinding, I guess. A bit more intense. Just like that. And that's it, you guys. So this is the finished look. Thank you to everyone who comments, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.